A personal data breach occurs when there is a security incident leading to personal data being lost, misused, corrupted, destroyed, or disclosed to other people. Incidences can include having your device stolen, sending data to the wrong person, not protecting your password, unauthorized use or access of company or client IT systems, failure of security controls allowing hackers to alter, corrupt, or delete data, or even misplacing or not securely storing or destroying paper files. Did you know that one of the biggest threats to security resulting in a personal data breach, or any data breach for that matter, is through the actions of employees? Information could be sent to the wrong person, the wrong attachment could be sent on an email, a password inappropriately shared, or a document misfiled. Regardless of how the breach happens, it could have a negative impact on the individuals whose data has been compromised, particularly if their data falls into the wrong hands. And then there are the consequences for us as a company. We could face hefty fines or legal action depending on the nature and extent of the breach. We've all seen those big headlines. Remember the principles of the GDPR? We must take accountability and protect the integrity and confidentiality of any personal data we handle. We could suffer damage to our reputation and loss of trust from employees, clients, and anyone else we process data about. Not to mention the time and cost of investigating the breach and putting it right. We all have a responsibility to ensure that we are taking steps to prevent these breaches from happening. Make sure you keep personal data on your devices secure by protecting passwords. Make sure not to store sensitive personal data on your desktop or in emails. And make sure to lock your laptop screen whenever you're away from the device, even for a moment. Make sure you complete all assigned data protection and information security training, which will help you to understand how to avoid IT security breach attempts like phishing attacks, which could compromise personal data. Don't have personal conversations in public. And make sure you always send information to the right person. Whether a breach was deliberate or accidental, doing nothing about it can cause serious security issues and put an individual at serious risk. If you discover a personal data breach, you should contact the data protection team and the information security team immediately so appropriate action can be taken.